Yeah, it's August 27th, and I just wanted to continue doing this, going over this trading journals to help me with, my accountability. And I just want to show that this is possible when you pace yourself. As you can see, I've only traded for 6 days out of the 20 trading days that there are in a month, and I'm $330 away, a little under $329.30 away from passing this TopStep combine. This is a $50,000 account. The target is for me to make $3,000. Currently at $2,670. That's what that says. As you can see today, it says I took 3 trades. I really just took 2. It says I took 3 because I had bought, the price started dropping and I bought another contract. And then when I sold them, I guess it was 2 trades, 3 trades actually. So I think my first trade, I just bought one micro. I seen 100. I just took it. I was playing very bitch ass today, and I could have passed the test today if I had a take profit set for 29,600, and that's where I would have made the money I needed today to pass the test. And as you can see, you see the resistance line that I drew. It hit it. It broke out of it, and I would have passed the test today. But the way the market has been moving, very choppy. You see, we got this one big green candle, then all of a sudden we got this big red fucking engulfing candle, right after it. So it's like, man, it'd be a damn shame to be up a couple $100, then one of these candles hit, and then now you're down 2 or 300. And this is the way the market has been lately. So I'm not fucking around with this shit. I'm playing it. I'm playing this shit very bitch ass. I'm just trying to get on first base. I'm not trying to hit home runs no more. When you try to hit home runs, that's when you fail these tests. When you're trying to pass the test in 48 hours, like, oh, I could pass this in 2 days. I can make 1,500 in 2 days. Oh yeah, and then once I make 1,500, I'm gonna try to make another 3,000 in 2 days, and I'm gonna have 10,000 in my account by then. Once you start thinking like that, that's when you're gonna blow these accounts, and you're gonna be one of those people who constantly keep buying these fucking combines and giving Top Step the $50. They say the prop firm business. I think they said Top Step is making like 27 million a month off of these suckers. And that's why they're able to pay people out when they do pass, because they're getting 27 million a month in subscriptions from suckers just failing these tests. And it's not going to be me. It's not going to be me. As you can see, it was NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA is still pumping right now. So NASDAQ is most likely going to follow this trend up. What's the rush? I'm out for the day. I'm done for the day. I'm not fucking with this. Yeah, coulda, woulda, shoulda. I had conviction that the market was gonna pump today, and sometimes you gotta go with your intuition. But like this shit was up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm like, man, let me just take my money and leave. Let me not play with the market. You know what I mean? Like, cause right, this is usually when I blow the account, when I'm like a day or a one trade away from passing. So me knowing that, I'm really taking it light. I'm really taking it light. I may really just be very bitch ass and try to take $100 for the next 3 days because I'm not failing this. And this is the mindset I'm in right now. I'm not failing. As you can see, you don't see no red days on this chart, on this P&L sheet. No red days. I took another trade on my other account. This is a $25,000 account. I only need to make 2,000 on this account. This is the account I've been fucking around on. Like, I got this account to be more impulsive and to just jump in trades off impulse. And as you can see, that strategy is not the way. I've been up and it's been a fucking roller coaster ride with this account, but I am up $424 and I only need to make about $1,576 to pass this test, which I could make in one trade actually. I'm not supposed to make more than 1,000 in one day, so I could potentially pass this in 2 days. I really need to just when the setup presents itself, I may just go aggressive on this account and just try to pass this very quickly because I do want to have an account where I'm just more aggressive. But as you can see, when you're trying to be aggressive, you got these $500 losing days. When I'm this is the day I took 16 trades, made $737. I was going crazy that day. I was just being super aggressive, just trading at all. I can't remember if I was trading at regular hours. I think I was just trading all night. trading the London session all night, just in and out, in and out, in and out. But yeah, I'm not too proud of this account, but we're still in the green on this account, so I'm gonna work this account and pass this too. And as you can see, I'm not rushing. I'm taking my time. Some days I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it some days, you know. And there was some small losses, but you can't see them because the gains outweighed the losses. But you see, it says average losing trade $92, average winning trade 155. So I ain't losing. I'm not losing more than I'm winning. I know when to stop. I got my stop losses set. It says my best trade was 500, average winning trade 155. I'm not being greedy, man. I'm not trying to go for these. Because really 200, 250 a day is all you need. So I see 150. I'm like, let me take that and wait for the next setup. So if I could catch that same setup twice in a day, $300 a day, that's all you need to pass these tests. And my mind is already about stacking these accounts. So I'm not getting caught up in trying to make a bunch of money on them because I already have it. I already know once I get my first payout, I'm about to get like 5, 10 accounts and I'm stacking them. And then, like I said, all I need to do is make $100, $200 a day off of 10 accounts. And shit is about to exponential growth as far as with this trading revenue. So yeah, I just wanted to congratulate myself and show you how I'm doing it, how I'm going about passing this test. It says, what am I, 3 and 19? I made, really wasn't mistakes. I just had to fix them. But yeah, it says I lost 3 trades and I won 19. So it says the day when I won 300% today, profit factor, it's 10.5. This is I lost $278 and I made $2,949, which is great. That means I'm gonna be able to stand the test of time with this strategy. And eventually, I could scale up. But this is the strategy right here. This is where you want to be at. You only lost 278, but you made 2,900. This is where you want to be at. I'm not going over the total profit. The best day, it says 37%. Not being greedy. 155. This looks good. I like this. I like this account. This is why I'm being very careful with this account because I like the way it looks. This is me. This represents me. This is most profitable day, Wednesday. I made $991. Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm pacing myself. Took 40 total number of trades, 22 trades, 42 lots. So you see, sometimes I'll trade 2, but on average I trade about 2 at most. 2 micros. There you have it. Hopefully, I come back tomorrow and show you that this was either passed or we're closer to passing. NQ is still pumping. Should have stayed in. I would have passed today, but hey, like I said, I'm here for the marathon, not the sprint. So everybody have a good day. I hope you had a good green day trading, and I'm gonna get this community set up soon. So, oh man, it's pumping, man. It's pumping. Would have definitely hit that TP, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna get this community started, and I'm gonna put the link in the description soon. So if you want to get down with some of this good trading, we could let's get down.